Welcome back to Diggin' Buffalo. I gotta put my gloves on. I'm Shetice Jackson from Cake Crazy Bakery, and today I'm gonna show you how to turn regular pound cake into strawberry shortcake. Let's get it.
Brought to you by Dash's Market.
All right, we're gonna make strawberry shortcake today, and I have everything right here. I have all of my mise en place, all the mess in its place. We're gonna start out, slice these berries up in half. Frozen strawberries have a lot more water. It will alter the recipe. Just stick to the fresh. Now we have 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and 3 tablespoons of warm water. When we add the water to cornstarch, that's called a slurry. You want to mix it together. So we're going to thicken our strawberry compote with this slurry. It's almost like a cooked fruit salsa. And we're going to add our strawberries, our sugar, the juice of half of a lemon, and we're going to add our slurry. But you just want to stir, and this is going to be on a medium-high heat. Mix everything, breaking up the strawberries a little so it can release some of the strawberry juices and add to the color and flavor of the compote. It smells like summer. Once it starts to boil, you're going to turn it down to a simmer. You can turn it into an instant chef. You'll be the star of the dinner. And we're going to chill this. I know you're anxious, but a little trick, get a pan with a larger surface area so we can cool our strawberry compote probably 5 times faster. Now we're gonna make the fresh whipped cream. You always wanna start with the cold mixing bowl. We are going to beat this. Once you see that it's starting to thicken, then we're gonna add our sugar. It's important that you stand right here and watch your whipped cream, because in a matter of seconds, it will go from beautiful whipped cream to a curdled mess. Don't ask me how I know. Now we have fresh whipped cream. This recipe is so easy, right? With these few ingredients, I like stuff like that. And you can show off for your friends and stuff. I'm gonna place that on top and let it flow wherever it wants to go. It knows exactly what it's doing. If you think it looks good now, wait until we add this. Powdered sugar. All right, look at that, look at that, look at that. And we just did it. Strawberry shortcake made from Cake Crazy Bakery's plain pound cake. Thank you for tuning in to Diggin' Buffalo. Hope to see you soon. Enough is enough. I gotta eat this.